Hi, my name is Maria Ortega and you are on the Ladymaria51 channel. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe requested by my subscribers. That is precisely what I'm going to do today. That tasty, smooth and creamy chocolate ice cream. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que le están enseñando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. The ingredients you need for the chocolate ice cream are the following. 1/2 cup of sweet chocolate powder, just like this one. I'm going to show you the brand I'm using. Let me put it to the camera. See? This is sweet chocolate powder. 2 cups of heavy cream. The one that I'm using is this brand. Let me put it to the camera so you can see it. Here, see? This is the one I'm using. You can find this heavy cream on all supermarkets. And I'm showing you the different brands of products so you can see what products I use. The last ingredient you need, since there are only 3 ingredients to prepare this chocolate ice cream recipe, is 3/4 cup of condensed milk, which is equal to 6 ounces. These are the 3 ingredients you need to prepare this delicious chocolate ice cream. All these ingredients you can find it at the supermarket. Very important is that I'm not using an ice cream machine. You can use the mixer. See how easy it is to prepare this chocolate ice cream. Now we go to the procedure. We add the heavy cream. Add the sweet powdered chocolate. And add the condensed milk. Now we're going to beat moderately until well mixed. Remember that once the ingredients are mixed, it will be put in a container with a lid in the top of the fridge for approximately 8 to 10 hours. The ingredients have already been mixed. Look at how the mixture is. The consistency is between liquid and thick. We already put the mix in the container with a lid, and the lid must be closed so that air does not enter. Now we're going to keep the mixture in the fridge for approximately 8 to 10 hours. If you leave it longer, it gets better consistency. Let's put it in the fridge. I'm going to show you the one I prepared yesterday. Here I prepared the recipe double. What do you mean? I prepared the recipe twice to fill the container. If you're going to prepare more quantity, make the recipe double. Here is the chocolate ice cream. I'm going to show you the consistency. We have here ice cream cones. Also, I have cones like this. We are throwing the 1 ball, 2 balls, and now the third ball. Looks so yummy. Here is the delicious chocolate ice cream. You can prepare it to share with friends or family. Looks so delicious. And here is the chocolate ice cream in cone or glass to share with family or friends. Remember that if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to this channel and activate the bell. See you in the next video.